Hello. This is my cute-ass fixie right here. Got a BB17 26 Charmer frame, powder-coated translucent red. Got a BB17 Cobra fork. P35 laced to a Demolition Phantom hub, female. Hub guard with Shadow Little One peg. Got a resist headset, unknown top load stem, Saudio 420 bars with ODI long dick grips. Got a Saudio Swoop 175 cranks, Saudio Molar sprocket, Odyssey twisted pedals, Why Not Steve Jensen edition. Got that bar spin clearance. I do my fixie tricks. Saudio pivotal C and C post. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Back MTX laced to an unknown 14 mil hub with Maxxis DTH. About to rip from doing grinds. Got a Shadow hub guard with a Odyssey peg. Yeah, that's my bike check. Oh! Check that bottom bracket. Stolen.